Hey guys, so welcome. And this is how to send a message in Telegram. So, in order for you to do that, first thing is open up the Telegram application into your device. Now, once you are here on the Telegram, in order for you to send a message, just simply go ahead and select the search icon on the top right corner of the screen. Now, guys, from here, you could just simply search for the name of the person that you want to message to on Telegram, your friend's Telegram. So, for example, my friend's Telegram is Mark Lu. And from here, this is just an example, guys. And you should be able to see all of the users that are named with Mark Lu. And if you want to expand on it, you should be able to see the show more on the top right corner, as you can see over here. And you will have show less and show more. And when you show more, it will show all of the Mark Blue related. So at the top, you should be able to see also the filters like channels, apps, post, and you will have other stuff as well over here. So pretty much you could utilize the search icon of the Telegram to send a message to your friend. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.